Here comes one more trial for the chainsaw scooter. We're going to try some forest riding on it. There we will get the chainsaw motor out of it and try to cut some wood with it. Let's see if we can do it. Spoiler, it went in a very unexpected way. Oh my gosh. First, the hand starter wire was turned off. Do you have a spare one? Any extra wires? People say this will do. Nope. No? That is LOL, guys. We just want to make a video and all went hell in the beginning. Let me deal with this stuff. And we will go. Like this. Tryout number 1. I hope it will be okay. The chainsaw is broken. The ski is broken, it is getting aside a little, like this. Do you mean it? Do you see that clamp has bent over there? We're going to take out the saw to check how it can be possibly done. We've got all necessary tools. We've got a textile-like case here, and there, of course, a chain for the saw. And all necessary tools. Closing. Let's get on cue here. The saw is being displaced. So oily. What a hack. Why is there so much oil? Is it supposed to be here with the fuel? The compression is good. Just look here. The mechanism works okay, I think. Attach it right here. And we need to put it right there. Let's get it done. It's here? Oh my god. Just like there. There it is. BS, why it's so bad? Did it get banned? There comes a fancy moment. Where did you get it? From some old Chinese moped. Here we go. Holy moly! I didn't know this can happen in this world. Me too. Did you see that? What just happened? No one could think up a story like this on purpose. Well, we've completed the mission, but really, it was working at home. I swear. Can we fix it back on the bike? I don't think so. Are we gonna ride or walk back home? Don't switch this channel and you will know it. At least we have found out that this detail has got a leak and we need to remove it and get a new one. It is not 100% bad, I tell you. I think we will make it back. Well, we're going to switch it to the wheel. Let's see how this can help. It looks cool with the ski, but this is just for drift mode. It's that simple. Oh, I got a snowboard. If you are 20, 30 or 40 and you try to ride this bay once, just for fun, you will feel you're 16 again, I promise. And I feel like I just wanna ride on and on.
Easy, просто на него. От души.
What was that sound? The system tensioner fell out. Fell? Uh-huh. I think I forgot to weld it properly, just catched it.
Прихвати.
Sounds like this isn't our lucky day today. The beginning was so good. There's only plan C left. Carry it. Do you have a notion why we don't make much videos? And where is the explosion we showed you in the beginning of the video? You know, not all of our experiments ended up well. If we see there's much people wanting to know what happened, we will make a video called Top 5 Kreosan Fails.